In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Airtable to Power BI using Airtable's API and Power Query. Now, why would you want to do this? Well, both Airtable and Power BI are powerful tools in their own right. Airtable is excellent for organizing and storing information in a flexible database, while Power BI shines at bringing that data to life with rich visuals and insights. So combining these tools can significantly enhance your data analysis and visualization capabilities. First, you'll need to gather some details from Airtable to get started. You'll need what's called a Personal Access Token, or PAT for short. Make sure it has the data. Records. Read scope. This is important, so it can fetch the necessary information. Next, grab your base ID. This identifies the particular database or workspace you want to access. Lastly, you'll need the table ID or name, which pertains to the specific table or view within your base that contains the data you want to visualize. Once you have these details, head over to Power BI Desktop. Here, you'll begin by navigating to the Get Data section and then selecting Blank Query. You could also choose Web or go through Other to Web. This action will open Power Query Editor, which is where the magic happens. In Power Query Editor, you'll use the Advanced Editor to write a query, known as an M query. This script will fetch data from Airtable using its REST API. You'll need to incorporate your base ID and table name into your API URL, and crucially, include an authorization header in your query. This header is what enables the connection and will be formatted like this. Authorization. Bearer followed by your personal access token. Next, there's the matter of pagination. Airtable has a limit on the number of records returned per request, usually about 100 records, so you'll need to handle pagination to get all of your data. This involves iterating through what's called an offset in the API until your query pulls in all the data you're after. Once you've successfully brought in the data through Power Query, it's time for some transformation. Here, you can adjust your data's shape to fit your needs. You might want to expand any record or list fields, or perhaps rename columns and remove any that aren't useful. Finally, click Close and Apply to get that prepped data into Power BI for visualization. Now, if you decide to publish your visuals to Power BI service and want those incredible dashboards to refresh automatically, you'll have to configure your credentials and set up a refresh schedule. Authentication might involve using your PAT and setting the source to anonymous, which is a somewhat common practice for these setups. And there you have it, a seamless way to link Airtable and Power BI, transforming raw data into meaningful insights effortlessly. Enjoy your visualization journey.